a paper shark. To make a paper shark, we need is a bowl, a scissor, a glue, a pencil, and a black marker, and also a blue paper. So I'm going to place the bowl in the paper and trace it around the bowl. Then after I've traced it, I'm going to cut it. After we have cut it, I am going to fold the paper in half. Then after I've folded the paper in half, I am going to cut it into a triangle shape here, where I'll make the mouth. Then after that, we will need an eye, and then I will glue it. Then I will get a paper, like 2 papers, and cut it into a triangle shape. This triangle a little bit and then glue it. I'm going to get a white paper and cut it into a strip. Then I'm going to get a blue paper and draw a shark's tail. white paper and make the teeth. Then I'll glue the teeth. Then the paper shark is ready, but before that we will get a marker and trace it. So now the paper shark is ready. So please subscribe to my channel, then hit the bell so you get notified of the videos I upload. Please like, share, and comment on my videos. Thanks for watching.